welcome back to an episode with Trade with Trends. Today, I want to teach you how to do analysis. With I want to teach you how to do analysis. Yes, guys, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode with Trade with Trends. Today, I want to teach you how to do analysis to know whether to buy to sell. I think this is one of the things that traders struggle with. Go straight into So you can see on my trading view, this is Bitcoin later following up Bitcoin to market. I love all Bitcoin. So first of all, I'll check my time. Okay, depending on what time frame you want. But I love to see my money very quick and fast. So my 15 minutes time frame is where I draw my key zones. Yes, key zones. So one important thing you should know is number one, find a trend. Find a trend. That's how trade with trends came about. Find a trend. If you have a good trend, you know how best to place your trade, right? So don't be looking at all the things on the left. Just lanes and don't be looking at the side. Just make sure you zoom in to see the candles very well. Okay, candles very well. So uh, from the immediate swing high, right? I've already marked some here in the trade already. So this is immediate straight swing high. So we go, then you come for a swing low. Well, the swing low before the swing high, right? So let's go mark the swing. So our immediate swing low. It's another zone, but now price has already touched that zone and trade is moving. So that's our zone here. So that means we are an uptrend, right? Lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. That's me. But I want to take this quick one. So the overall trend is bullish, right? The market is going up. The market is going up. If the market is going up, what's the reason for you to sell? No, trade with a trend, right? Trade with a trend. So let me quickly come and draw our next zone. Our next zone. So let me bring the tool so that you can quickly see how to teach you. There you go. Oh, okay, it's really so. This is your higher high. You see, this is your lower low. Then this is another higher high. Then we go to our lower low. So that is what price is doing currently. So now, what you are going to do is, for me, getting my zone here, getting my zone here, getting my zone here, getting my zone here. I'm okay. I don't want to really go very far because it's just 15 minutes time frame. And I love to see my profits very short. So let me draw this is my higher high. Mm, this is my higher high. Okay. Lower low here, higher high here, lower low again, higher high. Come to this lower low. Now price moving out. So let me draw and let's take note of what I'm drawing. What the lines I'm putting. So that's so realize where I'm putting them. I'm putting them just below the candlestick's closure or above the candlestick closure. Some people want to do the wick, some people want to do the closure. So now that I have my key zones here, yeah, like my last keys one too. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to announce your engagement. So now all my zones are active. Go to 1 minute. That's where I trade Bitcoin from 1 minute time frame. This is the 1 minute. To realize this, we are in an uptrend, right? We are in an uptrend. So I'm I'm looking for nothing than to buy. Right? I'm looking for nothing to buy for the higher time frame, right? But when we come into the lower time frame, the 1 minute where I do my scalping and my day trade, right? I want to show you guys a very simple thing that is happening on BTC recently. So this is a zone here. You can see this is another zone. This is another zone here. So zoom out so that you can see the candlestick. So this is currently what is on this side. Right? Zoom is like see the candle from midday side. That's when you can really get to know what is really going. So this is the zone that we up here. See, like, so now we have to adjust. That's why I love this one. There's another to do it now. There's another zone. So now price as looking above this zone, this change of structure here. Yeah. So went up a little, tap on one. Now it's coming down. Okay. Will price go up or price go down? I want to do this live with you guys so that you know. Okay. So pardon me if this video is very long. So now you see these ones here, these ones here. Let's look at some price tap into these ones, broke below, went up again, came below, now it's going up. So now we have this zone here. Now we are anticipating the price. So we are looking for an entry to go up. Okay. And price has stubborn. So now let's wait and see. So what I want to show you is watch this green candle very carefully. Now we have our trend, we have our zone that we want price to reach to. So really big back to it. So so I've got my tools. Wherever this candle closes, okay. If this candle closes, let me place it. If this green candle closes above this candle that we are in, yes, we are in for a buy. So you can place a buy. Then where is your stop loss going to be? Just below that same candle. Where is your TP going to be? Not this zone, but the zone up there that we are targeting. Right? So this is it. That's about 1:3.5. That's that's okay. See, see what price. Yeah, I'm even targeting more also. Let's wait and see. This is a 1 minute time frame, guys. You know, because of the volatility of BTC USD. That's why I love to use 1 minute time. And trust me, guys, this amount that you can get from Bitcoin, even if it's 0.01, with this small pixels, you can make very good amount of money, right? And you can lose very tiny to make very big money. That's why I also like the 1 minute time frame. Yeah. That's where I place my trade, but the 15 minutes is my higher time frame. That's where I check for the trend, the current trend that is moving in 15 minutes time frame. Check for my key zones because that's where you can get a little big spread, right? Like a little space that you can make some money small. Because if you find your key zones on your 1 minute time frame, that 1 minute time frame, you wouldn't get enough space there. Okay, then I come to 1 minute to find my current structure, my lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then I draw my key zones again in the 1 minute for my entry, and I wait for my lower low, lower high pullback come in. So let me see if I can give you a little of what happens in my 1 minute time frame. This is what I'm talking about. So let's say in the 1 minute, when I come to the 1 minute, looking for something. Okay, this then I low, we are going so just um, I come again, watch where I'm placing. That's market structure. Okay, yeah, so, so this is the market structure I'll be looking at. So this is a zone. This is a zone. This is a zone. So when price when price gets to this level, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, I'm waiting for a pullback to maybe this point. I'm looking for a pullback to this point. Then when I get pullback to this point, look for double bottom here, tap in again. Then you look for candle closure above here. Then you are in for a good, because now you have a target. It's a target. In your so you are in for a good. Okay. So guys, let's keep watching this. This is where a lot of traders get get scared. That's why you have to manage your risk. Okay. This is where a lot of traders get scared. Yeah, like what about if it doesn't, what about if it happens? What about if you make money? Okay. So just be, so the market structure again. This is the market structure. Stop up here. That's the higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, lower again, higher high, which is we are marking. So your lower low, the price moves to this higher. So what we expecting? Guys, do you get it? Yes. Let me know if you get it. With this, you can determine where we are moving next. This is how it works. Okay. I'll bring you guys the feedback. I think your video is getting too long. Okay.